Hello. This is your girl, Miss Felicia Inspire. Today we're going to be reviewing the sensational wood lace Miss Kiyari, and we're going to be doing a detailed step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so for starters, this is how she looks, and I have her in the color 1B. This is by Sensational. So I already have this unit on for you, and I'm just showing you basically how it looks straight out of the pack. And all I'm doing is kind of combing it out a bit just to make sure that it's kind of laying, just to see how it's gonna lay. And here I'm showing you my cap, and this kind of lets you know the color cap that you'll need to either do the makeup or either get a darker cap to match your skin tone. But this is invisible lace, and you will be able to see through it, and you can see that line there of my stocking cap peeping through. So yeah, so back to this unit. So I think that, okay, so when I previously got this unit, and I will insert a picture of this unit when they first originally came out, but this unit, I don't know, it's a hit or miss sometimes when you order these units. This is more so one of the units that they came out with prior to the ones they're coming out with now. You can see the hairline is really thick, and it's not as pre-plucked as the rest of the units that they've come out with lately. But I'm not a fan of this hairline. It's just not how I would want it. And the unit that I had before, this same exact unit, it didn't look anything like this. The hairline was plucked. It looked very nice. I even went and did a half up, half down. But you'll see once I insert the picture that I did the first time around when I had this unit. But I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting the lace off on the unit. And when I cut this lace off, as you can see, like the construction itself of the unit around the ears and all of that, I mean, it just wasn't right. And I hate that when you spend, because I do take my own money and buy some of these units, but you know, you don't want to buy these units and you can't use them, or they're not what you expected. You see other YouTubers, they'll do reviews on them, and you think you're gonna get that exact product, and you get it and it's a hot mess. So I'm just gonna work with it and make it do what it do. So you just go ahead and cut that lace off, and the lace on the unit is supposed to be it's transparent, of course, but it's not soft lace. It's more of a hard lace, and of course you're gonna have to make sure you blend that in, but it'll lay just fine once you put, either if you're gonna use lace glue or if you're gonna use any type of holding spray. But of course, you know, I always use the Ebon adhesive spray on mine. Overall, I do think this unit is big head friendly. Well, most of the time all of these wigs fit everybody anyway, but you can, it is a snug fit, and you can pretty much put it on. The tangling was it, I don't know. I just, this unit is just not for me. Like, I cannot. So basically, the unit laid pretty, it laid pretty nice. And this is your Ebon Wonder Lace spray. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. But this unit, it laid pretty good. I had minimal shedding. Of course, you'll have some shedding, but that's only because you're going to be trimming out some of the hairline and trimming out the lace. But as you can see, I'm kind of frustrated. So I'm just gonna try and lay these baby hairs the best way I can, and that's just gonna be it. We're just gonna try to do what it do. So of course, when I lay my baby hairs down, all I do is kind of section out what I want to lay down, and I go in and separate that, and I use my bed head hard head holding spray to lay down my baby hairs, and then I comb it, then I blow dry it down. I don't really like to use any type of gel to lay down my baby hairs because, for one, this is synthetic hair and it's a whole different texture, and it's not, it lays, but sometimes with the gel it kind of flakes a little, so I just use the bed head hard head to lay down the baby hairs. The density on this unit is pretty thick and it lays really natural. It don't have that perm-yaki texture, but it is a little bit silky. But here you can see I'm just kind of trying to work with these baby hairs here. We're gonna try and make it work. So I had the intentions to go in and do the baby hairs all the way around on both sides, but of course, like I said before, this unit was giving me trouble from start to finish, and I already was frustrated with it in a way, not looking how I wanted it to look. But I wanted to actually show you how to do a half up, half down style with the bun. But when I went in to do the other side, the entire lace ripped, so I'm trying to pull it down to I tried to pull it down in my beside my ear to lay it down to do the baby hairs, but then the lace ripped. Like, it just really made me mad. So the only thing at this point I could do is just lay it down, let it lay to the side. At this point, this is pretty much all that I can do. I really wish that I could show you guys more styling options, but I can't. But for the most part, I'm going to just tease it. I'll insert some pictures, but for the most part, this is what you're gonna get. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, go to the Wig Slayers group, and there you can find a lot of different wigs, discover new people, just interact and get acquainted. But thank you guys so much for watching.